Hello everybody, I'm here to test out this RS232 interface that I got from D Mackey. That's a Super 232. See if we can get her to focus in here. It does sometimes and other times it don't. But yeah, it's a prototype model. He built it in the whole 9 yards. So I'm testing it for him. Does the same thing as this dude, the peak modem interface. But of course you can't buy them anymore, so that's what it's all about. So I'm going to show you how to get it on Q-Link. Here's the bunch of capacitors I got from my one Commodore I need repaired. Let's get some screenage going on here. So here we go. Using the good old TCP serve and all that kind of stuff. I actually got it working. Scored this Commodore, and every capacitor has white in it. So we're going to replace them all. Right after that dash is where you know it's working. I couldn't get that far. So there we go. Got some floppy drive action. If you're crazy like me, you got floppy drives action. So we'll get a people connection. I'm going to hit up the IRC. Show you that we all got it working 100%. It's a good little device, man. I tried it on the BBS. Called a couple of bulletin boards. And it's working good if you got the right shit. So when you want to go to IRC room, you just simply type IRC and C64 friends. It's on Freenode. If you get on IRC and stuff like that, gotta put an S at the end. Alright, so it's going to try to connect to an IRC right now. So it should be able to say, hey, what's up? Okay. And then I got beer cans all over the place, so excuse my mess. But if you go down to IRC, you see, hey, what's up? And you say, not much. So then, over here, you'll see where I sent back, not much. Everything's working pretty sweet, so wanted to share it though. It's a RS232 prototype. And guess what board it is? Number 1. So hope you all enjoy it, man. And pretty soon you'll be seeing these babies go in that baby. So yeah, y'all have a good one.